Good morning, America. So happy you can join us.
Wait.
Go over.
Nope.
Okay. Not a little bit more with me. Okay. Hello, everybody. It's Eugene and
Emma.
And we are here today to talk about cold brew at home without having to get too much equipment. A lot of the stuff that we use today should be pretty normal stuff that you have laying around. The only special thing is probably a French press, and then most likely a drip filter. We're probably not going to find something this big in the grocery store, but there are plenty of drip filters that are available at the grocery store for very cheap. For those of you that use Keurigs or have espresso machines or anything like that, you probably don't have this, but you might have this. And you definitely probably have mason jar of some sort.
Or even just like a Tupperware.
Or even just a
Honestly.
Tupperware. Yeah. Anything really works because you don't really need that much.
Don't really need
that
much.
So this is just the at-home cold brew, no other things necessary.
Yeah. No toddy, no Kyoto.
No toddy, no Kyoto.
No
Espresso machine.
No crazy grinder.
No, well, you might need the crazy grinder unless if you get it ground at the shop. Exactly. So, there's a few things that happened before we started recording today, and that is just getting the cold brew into this jar with the right ratio. And the ratio is written on the jar, which you probably won't have at home, so we'll read this to you. It is 1 ounce of coffee to 8 ounces of water. So if you're going to do 32 ounces of water, 4 ounces of coffee.
That's what we did.
That's what we did.
I definitely measured out 8 ounces and realized I said 4 ounces.
So it's going to be strong.
No, I
Oh, she adjusted. Okay.
Take it.
So that is the ratio. You can find that in the comments below. Should be pretty simple and straightforward. Again, we just used the household mason jar.
Yep.
This is a 6.5 ounce mason jar. We measured it yesterday.
Yep.
And then today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and strain it through. The reason why we have the paper drip filter is so that we can ensure that there's not a lot of grounds or residue left. So it's going to be a nice clean cut.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And then we left this for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Ish. Yeah.
So it should be pretty stellar in
Yeah.
terms of flavor.
Stellar.
Cool. So we're gonna go ahead,
Get started.
Get the cold brew going for you, and then we'll reconvene and talk about what we thought. All right, so on first glance, it is thick. Boy, it is thick.
Girl, she went to the gym and got thick.
Let's go ahead and taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Whoa, that's nice though.
It's thick.
I like that. Confident.
It is a confident cold brew. So let's
She's
go ahead
a
and say
confident, powerful woman.
confident, powerful, thick cold brew. Double C, no K. You don't want the K. You want the double C.
No, yeah, double C.
Double C. So I'm gonna go ahead and say a few things here. You're gonna want to dilute this.
We already diluted it.
Yeah.
A bit.
So we did about 1-to-1 ratio of water to the coffee. I would go ahead and say that that's probably about right, and then add ice, and then you're good.
Yeah.
24 hours is probably a lot of time for that coffee to be in there, but that's why you get this thickness. And I think, honestly, this is a great alternative to hot coffee, especially since, it's not going to get any colder out there. What is it? It's like 97 degrees. I can feel my hands sizzling when I touch the windows.
Yeah. Or when you sit on your seat and it's been baking in the sun all day.
Now, what did we do here? What is the coffee name?
Marigogipe.
Marigogipe.
Is it Marigogipe? It's out of your league.
But we're going to go ahead and say that this is a really good ratio. Again, ratio is 1 ounce to 8 ounces of water. and then leave it in for about 16 to 24 hours. Go ahead and strain it using the method that we showed you here with paper and the French press. That way you don't have a lot of residue. And then, you know, prep yourself for thickness. Thickness. But
no, definitely dilute it with water, but I would say some people might like this thickness. I don't know.
I mean, honestly, if you're that kind of person where sludge is in your veins, just drink it, you know?
What?
Gay?
Gay?
All right, well.
Thank you, everyone, and we... All right, thanks, everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next time, and we'll see you then.
Bye-bye.
Bye.